Princess Cruises has many options for both casual dining and premium desserts, but it is not always clear what is included in them. This video will talk about how casual dining works and the options for premium desserts when you have either the Princess Plus or Princess Premier packages.
Hi y'all, I'm Jeff.
And I'm Becky.
And together we're a cruising good time. Thanks a lot for all the returning videos or watching the video. We really appreciate you watching us and following us through YouTube. If you just found us with this video and new to us, please give us a like and subscribe and turn on those notifications and check out all our playlists and videos on our YouTube channel.
So today we're going to talk about the 4 types of dining on Princess, which is the complimentary or free dining, the casual dining, the specialty dining, and the paid dining. But what we are really going to delve into is casual dining and premium desserts.
Looking at the 2 different packages that Princess offers, they offer the Princess Plus and Princess Premier. With Princess Plus, you get 2 casual dining per cruise and 2 premium desserts per day. With Princess Premier, you get unlimited casual dining during your cruise and you get unlimited premium desserts. Typically, each ship will have 2 or 3 different casual dining venues on board. An exception to that would be the Island Princess and the Coral Princess. They actually do not have any casual dining venues on board, but they will open up Sabatini's once during the cruise for Alfredo's Pizza, and they'll usually open a Wheelhouse Bar as a Salty Dog gastropub. All these casual dining venues will offer a 3-course prefix menu, so you can have a salad, the entree, and a dessert, all included with your casual dining.
We always eat at Alfredo's Pizza or Gigi's Pizza.
They're both very good.
They have a terrific menu. It starts out with a salad or antipasta.
Lots of different pizza choices.
I love these. And though, I also love Princess's Pizza poolside that's for free.
Yes. Can't go wrong with that one. The Ocean Terrace Seafood Bar was great. We did some sushi there one afternoon for some lunch.
Yeah, it's terrific. It has a fabulous menu. You get to overlook the piazza. It's just a really fun place to eat.
It's a lot of fun. They have a few special cocktails right there. We didn't eat at the Vines Wine Bar charcuterie, but the food looked delicious when we saw it.
It did. We have eaten at the Salty Dog gastropub. They make terrific burgers, and they have interesting other sides like poutine and a lot of different potato dishes.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. It's a good gastropub environment and a lot of food, and I think it's really good food. The premium desserts offered by Princess are a lot more than just the giant ice cream sundaes that you see them advertise all the time. You can also get like a slice of 10-layer cake. You can get some scoops of gelato or even just a smaller gelato type sundae. And they're available at several different venues on board the ship. Check around because it's going to vary ship by ship.
Here is a premium dessert menu. There's a lot of wonderful things here.
Yeah.
And the gelato, I absolutely love the gelato bar. It is terrific gelato, lots of choices.
Yeah, it's really good. I was really surprised there's that many choices with it, and they're all can be counted as a premium dessert. So you don't have to get that giant sundae. You can just get a scoop of gelato. Towards a premium dessert, if you want to count it toward a premium dessert. While you're in Port of Galveston, the state of Texas wants their sales tax. It's going to cost, what is it, $1.50?
I think they said $1.50.
I think it's $1.50. Get it here. Get off on international waters, you get it for free with one of your premium desserts in your package.
We also have a video on if the casual dining will pay out for you, and you can see the link here.
And since it doesn't always show up on the YouTube TV app, we'll also put it down in the description below so you can have the link down there.
Thank you so very much for watching.
If you liked the video, please give us a like and subscribe, and please turn on those notifications. We really appreciate your help.
Until next time, have a cruising good time.